feel lost.
Lost? What do you mean?
Hi everyone, this is Bon and welcome back to Bon South Properties. For today's video, we're here in one of the most exclusive residential communities inside Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Welcome to Traba. Now, before we start this property tour, let me ask you a question. If you had the opportunity to build your dream home anywhere in the Philippines, what would matter most to you? Would it be the size of the house, the location, the design, or the kind of communities where your family will create memories for the next 20 or 30 years? Because if you ask me, darating talaga tayo sa point where we are no longer just looking for a beautiful house. We're looking for a better way of living, a place that gives us peace of mind, and community we're proud to call home. And honestly, that's exactly what I want to show you today. This video is not just about premium lots or beautiful design homes. I want to show you why many families choose a community like Traba. Because buying a property like this is more than just a financial decision. It's a lifestyle decision. One thing I always tell my clients is this: when you are buying a property, you're not only buying the lot, you are also choosing your future neighborhood. You're choosing the environment where your children will grow up, kung saan sila maglalaro, magbibisikleta, at gagawa ng memories that they will carry for the rest of their lives. You're choosing where you will celebrate birthdays, Christmas, family reunion, and even your retirement. That's why I always say, before looking at the house, look at the community first, because houses can always be renovated. You can upgrade the design, expand the living space, or even a completely new home. But a community, its environment, its surroundings, and the lifestyle it offers, those are things you simply cannot replace. Traba is one of the premier residential developments inside Greenfield City here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. For those who are not yet familiar with Greenfield City, this is not just a residential area, it's a master plan township. Meaning, the vision was never just to build houses, the goal was to create a place where people can live, work, dine, relax, and enjoy everyday life within one growing community. At ayon yung isa sa mga bagay na nagustuhan talaga natin dito sa Greenfield City. Hindi lang nila ginawa ang isang subdivision, they envision an entire community where different parts work together to create a better quality of life. And personally, I think that's one of the biggest advantage of buying inside a township. You're not just looking at what the community is today, you are also looking at what it can become in the years ahead. As more establishments continue to open, as more families choose to live here, and as the entire township continues to grow, the value of being part of the vision also grows with it. And I believe that's one of the reasons why Traba continues to be one of the most desirable addresses inside Greenfield City. The moment you enter Traba, you will immediately notice that this community has a different character. It's not loud, it's not trying too hard to impress. Instead, everything feels calm, refined, and thoughtfully planned. And personally, I think that's what true luxury is all about. Hindi mo kailangan ipagsigawan. You simply feel it the moment you drive through the village. There's already a certain sense of peace that you don't usually experience in a typical residential community. As we continue driving around, one of the first things you will notice is the width of the roads. It may sound like a small details, but once you are actually here, you will understand why it makes such a big difference whether you're coming home after a long day. And personally, I really appreciate that because beautiful communities don't become beautiful overnight. They become beautiful over time as the trees continues to grow. Most of the residential lots here start at around 550 square meters lot area. And by today's standard, that's already considered a very generous lot size. As we make our way to the clubhouse, this is probably one of the places I always look forward to showing my clients. Because honestly, this is where you really begin to understand the lifestyle that Traba has to offer. From the outside alone, mapapansin mo na agad yung architecture, clean lines, elegant proportions, a beautiful modern tropical design. It's sophisticated without trying too hard. And personally, I think that's exactly what luxury should be like. Hindi yung sobrang daming details na parang gusto i-impress ang bawat makikita mo. The moment you step inside, you will immediately notice how open and inviting the space feels. The high ceiling, the abundance of natural sunlight, the spacious layout. Everything works together to create warm, relaxing, and very welcoming atmosphere. It's feel like a place you will genuinely enjoy spending time in. And that's something I really appreciate because for me, a clubhouse should not just look beautiful in photos. It should naturally become part of your family everyday lifestyle. Imagine it's Sunday morning, your kids are enjoying the swimming pool, your parents are relaxing at the lounge, you're sitting down with a cup of coffee, catching up with your family after a busy week. And instead of spending hours driving to a resort or booking a weekend getaway, you are already enjoying the same relaxing experience right here inside your own community. For me, that's the one of the biggest advantage of living in a development like Traba. The amenities are not just there to make a brochure look impressive. They are designed to create experiences where families spend quality time together. Of course, aside from the swimming pool, you will also find fitness and recreational facilities that encourage healthy and active lifestyle. Whether you enjoy working out, playing sports, or simply taking a peaceful walk around the community. Everything is thoughtfully integrated into the overall master plan. At mapapansin mo rin na walang area na parang siniksik lang, nothing feels out of place. Everything has a purpose, and I believe that's what separates a truly well-planned community from an ordinary subdivision. It's not about having more amenities, it's about having the right amenities, designed for the people who will actually use them every single day. The true value of a community is not measured by how many facilities it has. It's measured by how much those spaces become part of your family's everyday life. And I think that's exactly what Traba has been able to achieve.